The financial companies are reporting their earnings. Goldman Sachs, $1 billion in profit, but revenue was down. And we're seeing that with a lot of the financials. I am here with Stephen Guilfoyle from Meridian Equity Partners. And what we're seeing with a lot of these financials is with the banks, they're still taking out those reserves. And with some of these trading companies, less trading, less M&A. So what are we going to see going into 2012 when the business seems to be shrinking? I mean, even where we're at here, the stock exchange volumes have been way off.
Yeah, late last week and early this week, this was really something that we all looked forward to see how these financial firms would do on their earnings. And I got to tell you, it's quite disappointing to see where the revenue is coming out. Yeah, maybe some of them can beat the number on the earnings number, but that's largely because they reduced headcount. I mean, a lot of them were able to reduce costs, but they're not bringing in the kind of money they were. And going forward, you can't just keep reducing headcount to make your number look good. So this is something that we have to watch this going into the second and third quarters, see if this is a trend or if trading revenues, investment banking, these kind of instruments come back to higher levels.
Well, that had always been the beauty of the bonuses, and something that a lot of people outside of the street didn't understand was that when you had a bad year, you cut back on your bonuses, and you pull that line item in your balance sheet down. But, just throwing people out, I mean, are these people going to hedge funds, or are they just out on the street?
I think, maybe there is some turnover, some movement, but a lot of them are probably out of work right now. This has been going on Wall Street, not just this year. I mean, this has been a 5-year trend where many of my colleagues I know of are out of the industry. They do regular work now just like everyone else. So there's been a large contraction in the industry for years now, and it seems like it's continuing at this point.
All right, so looking at 2012, do we think, we've had a lot of people say, God, these financials have bottomed, it's time to get in. But every time we think we found a bottom, we find a new one.
I'm in that group. I was thinking that we maybe had bottomed. I was even thinking that maybe it was time to start nibbling on those stocks. But I got to tell you, I'm a little hesitant now. Maybe I don't go that route.
Okay, so we may not have found the bottom in financials just yet.